In this video, I want to talk about how you can apply for Duolingo test. Now, I want to quickly clarify, you can do this from the website and you can also do this on the phone. All you gotta do is head over to more and find the Duolingo test. Now, once you're on here, you will have to answer a few questions. I already answered them, but once you have answered the questions, you will come to this page. Now in here, you can purchase your test and these will be the prices for me. It might be different from you, but these are the prices for me. And also you can practice for free if you want before taking the test. You can see all the test info if you come in here, and you can also, like I said, you can practice all that you want here. And then simply you just want to purchase the test and do the test. Now keep in mind, you need to actually have an ID and everything once you've done this. So just keep that in mind. But that is basically how that works. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.